Meaning of drum brake.
Drum brake.
Drum brake.
Drum brake.
Drum brake. A drum brake is a type of braking system used in vehicles that involves a pair of brake shoes that press against a rotating drum to slow or stop the vehicle. When the driver applies the brakes, hydraulic pressure pushes the brake shoes outwards and into contact with the inner surface of the drum, causing friction that slows the rotation of the wheel. Drum brakes are known for their durability and ability to handle heavy loads, but can be less effective at dissipating heat than other types of brakes, which can lead to brake fade under heavy use.